Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. The TRO Zones Dashboard for October the 24th, Monday. Oh, what a day, what a day. Um, okay, what I'm going to do is show you some of the new features I've added. Yeah, I know, probably, what was it, 2 or 3 weeks ago I said, okay, no more. Well, that didn't really work out well now, did it? Because this thing is taking on a life of its own. So let's go and look at the indicator and let's just step through some things here and I'll show you what I have created. You can now type in all, just like that, all caps ALL. And what the indicator will do is it will check your platform and fill up all the pairs. For you coders out there, I think we used to test close. You look up the close for the pair, and if it wasn't zero, then it was good. Well, that didn't work very well. But if you do mode bid or mode ask, then that will return zero if that indicator if that pair is not on your platform. So that's just something for the coders out there. So anyway, that's how you fill up the screen with all the pairs that you can trade. Now, what else have I done? Okay, let's see. I think I went over the fact that now we have words English, so you don't have to remember that a month is 43,200 minutes, because that's just crazy. Okay, next, moving down. Okay, I believe I've told you about the previous closed column. And what I did was I added an ATR column here. So let's just say 20, 20, and 20. And we're going to use 24 bars, okay, for these ranges. And so what you'll get here is you'll get the average range for the day. You will also get the current daily range, and you get the ATR 24. Remember, I put 24 there. I guess I could probably say, I didn't put it here. I guess I probably should, so you would know. But there it is. And you can see there's a slight difference, but not much, between the average range and the ATR. And let's see, I had the breakout bars, but we've discussed that in another video. So we can take that out. We can, let's see, we can get rid of the buy zone, the breakout, and yeah, breakout time, breakout column, breakout bars column. So we can get rid of all those columns just like that. Now, I believe I added in something else that was nice. Oh yeah, the central pivot range right here. I believe I sent some information regarding pivots and the ranges, where the central pivot range is simply, we've got the pivot in the middle, and then you look at the previous day's midpoint, and you subtract the previous day's midpoint from the pivot, and you get a distance. And so on one side of the pivot, that would be the top, the TC, and then on the other side would be the bottom, or the BC. And what I have noticed is that price likes to return to a range if it hasn't touched it, and once it gets in the range, it likes to leave it. So it's very good for breakout trades. In fact, today on the dollar Canadian, if any of you guys were lucky, you will have seen that there was some missed pivots and price needed to go back to the central pivot range, and it did. And so we're using the 1 day period, and we also have the alert. So I don't know if there's anything else new or interesting that I did. There probably was. I think it had to do something with time somewhere, if I can only remember. There's so many indicators. Let's see, we already had the breakout time. Let's go down here and look. As you can tell, I do these videos on the fly, no notes. Oh, I know what I added. Before I had these fixed, the rat zone threshold, I think that was in there, but the rat zone minimum range was fixed. And so we've got a threshold of 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. And if you looked at the euro today, it's pretty funny because the red rat zone and the green rat zone were right up against each other because the range happened to be 40. So that was kind of fun. It's like it was going from one range right into the other. There was no space in between. So this allows you to say what the minimum total range for the day is. Because I don't want to know about the rat zone unless it's got at least 40 pips, greater than 40 pips. So that's why that's in there, and it probably should be closer to 50 or 60. But some of these pairs, like the euro, it's just the daily range has just been flat for about the past couple of months. So this gives you the option to custom tailor it. Okay, let's see. We've got the breakout time hours. We've already gone over that one. I think that's it. And if you want to move this up because you're losing space, of course, you can just move that all the way up to the top like so. And you see how that moves, gives you some more space. And this right here, that's your notes where you can type yourself a note, because what you'll probably want to do is you'll want to configure this indicator, save it as a template, then configure it another way, save it as another template. So probably what I'll do is I'll make like a price template where it has things like the price, the open, the high, low of the day, and the range, all those price type things, along with the GPS, you know, high minus close, close minus open, etc. And probably percent change. And then I think I've already set up one with all the breakout columns. So if you want to trade the breakouts, then I'll have the other ones, the trade columns for the reversals. So I'll probably be doing some templates when I send this out sometime in the future, if I can ever stop adding to it. But I just keep getting these ideas. In fact, one of the ideas, since I put this in, what I'm thinking is, if you remember, I had written an internal multi-tool type indicator where you could use that indicator and plot any of the internal indicators that comes with MT4. And then I also wrote an external, where if you've got an external indicator and you know the buffers, what you have to pass to it, and what they're gonna, or rather, you know the inputs, what you have to pass to it, and the buffers, what it returns. We can use that. And I was thinking maybe I would incorporate that into here, but then I'm thinking, I don't know, that might be a bit much, but we'll see what happens. I'll see what kind of ideas you guys give me. But that's the latest and greatest version, so I'll probably ship it to you so you can start trading it. It's still in beta because there's got to be a lot of testing. Here. But anyway, that's the new stuff that's been added. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're making money with it, because you can enjoy it, but if you're not making money with it, it's not doing, either you're not using it right or it ain't working. I know one thing, I'm making money with it, because it's like today, I think I only popped off 2 trades, and they were probably shouldn't even, I've done those two trades because nothing hit the ATR zone. I missed one. The New Zealand US dollar just barely touched the ATR zone, but I was busy on something else. I think I was in a Euro Yen trade from the previous day, and so I didn't get a chance to take advantage. But that was about the only reversal trade that popped up. But anyway, that's enough of me rambling. So thanks again, fellow traders. I appreciate your support, your kind words, and always remember, never forget, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. The Rumpled One, signing out.